Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to order online delivery from Costco. First, go to costco.com and look at the top right corner of the screen. Click Sign In if you already have an account, or create an account if it's your first time. Once you're signed in, use the search bar or browse through the categories to find the items you want to buy. When you find something you like, select the quantity and click Add to Cart. After adding all your items, go to your shopping cart and click Checkout. Enter your shopping address and payment details as prompted. Finally, review everything and click Place your order to complete your Costco delivery purchase. And that's it. That's how you can easily order online delivery from Costco right from your computer or phone. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.